All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to get into another video here, Hasbro Customs. This time we're going to go about 1989 to about 1993, and I want to bring out first my Fig-Fed champion, Hulk Hogan. Of course, he gets the cart. Okay, so Hogan's here, and of course, I like to have him on that cart with his World Championship Golden Eagle belt. A little WrestleMania 6 action, even though he didn't actually go on the cart. I like it. I dig that cart. Okay, first up, after the Hulkster, we've got the King, Haku. Next up, we've got the High Flyer, Superhero Starman. Everybody's superhero. Okay. We've got the Red Rooster, Terry Taylor. Okay, and the Human Wrecking Machine, Zeus. And his tag team partner, 1991 Royal Rumble Macho King, Randy Savage. Also WrestleMania 7 right there. And of course, you can't have that 91 Royal Rumble Macho Man without the 1991 Ultimate Warrior. Okay, next up, we've got Rugged Ronnie Garvin, former NWA champion. The Hammer Jammer. And next up, we've got Battle Cat. Bob Bradley, Brady Boone. Battle Cat action. Okay. Hulk Hogan's best buddy, Tugboat. Okay, next up, we've got the Hot Scott, Rowdy Roddy Piper. And you can't have the Hot Scott without, from Harlem, New York, Bad News Brown. I think if he would have been nicer, would have been willing to win or lose, or to lose a little bit, that he might have gone a little further than he did. Bad News Brown. Okay, next up, we have got the mighty Hercules Hernandez. Hercules. Okay. We've got Duke the Dumpster Drosy. Okay, next up on the list, we've got Big Bully Busick. Yeah. And referee, Sid Justice. Little SummerSlam 91. Sid Justice, the referee. They like to do that in SummerSlams with Jesse the Body, and 88 with the Mega Powers, Mega Bucks. And the match made in hell, Sid Justice. Next up, we've got the Genius Lanny Poffo. Complete with his robe and his hat. You can see, very detailed. Genius has a poem for us all. Next up, we've got the American Dream, Dusty Rhodes. Common Man. Dusty Rhodes. Okay, next up we've got Simply Ravishing Rick Rude. No, Jake's wife is not on the back of the tights. Speaking of that, we've got it this Tuesday in Texas. Jake, the Snake Roberts, complete with Cobra and his little snake bag. I think he brought Damien along. It's very nice of Jake. Yeah, certainly last but not least, from Tacula, Mexico, Tito Santana. Former Intercontinental Champion. Really, you like him, huh? And Lily's here. She's waiting for some treats. And that looks like where I'm headed. You guys have a good day. And I'll have to give some treats to this little one. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.